Again, this morning, I was talking to somebody about the success of AI pilot projects, and they quoted this MIT study that said 95% of these AI pilots got zero ROI. And I think I've had that conversation before on a video, but the main thing here is there's good reasons why these pilot projects don't work. Hi, this is Dr. Stephen Kirch of Profit Minds, and we work with small to mid-sized businesses to help them grow and scale by leveraging the power of AI. And we're able to do that ethically and effectively and safely. So this MIT study said 95% of pilot projects fail. And if you read the paper, it's kind of it's an exaggeration to make a point, and they're trying to sell their program at MIT. But that aside, many pilot projects don't work if they're brought in from top down. If the leadership says we're going to do this, but we're going to do it in this particular way without taking into account what needs to happen at the worker level. So our perspective is the way to make sure these things work is you have to do it both from the top down and from the bottom up. Yes, you have to have an AI policy, and you have to have things that say, this is okay, this is not okay. These are the platforms, these are the large language models, these are the kinds of data that you can use, these are the kinds of things that you can accomplish with AI. These are the things that you can't. Some industries are very heavily regulated, so you have to watch out for HIPAA or GDPR or simply client confidentiality. But in addition to that, the leadership doesn't necessarily know what good looks like at the worker level. And so the process that we use in our AI transformation method and in our AI Career Institute is that the person doing the work is really the only person who knows what good looks like. And in order to do things with AI, you can't just say, AI, do this for me. You have to check it at every step. You have to say, this is okay, now we can move on to the next step. This is okay, we can move on to the next step. Oh, this is not quite right, we need to fix this. Then we'll move on to the next step. So you have to implement from the top down and from the bottom up if you want your projects to be successful, if you want your implementation to be successful in AI. And we can enable every employee in every role to do everything that they do faster and easier with AI, but only if they know what they're doing. If you want to talk about it, I'd be happy to have a conversation. Thanks, and have a grateful day.